Good morning students, welcome to my accounts class. Today I am going to discuss about oversubscription of shares. When the company offers a certain number of shares for subscription to the public, it may receive more number of applications to subscribe for shares. It is called oversubscription of shares. For example, the company has offered 1 lakh equity shares for subscription to the public, but the company received 1,50,000 applications. It is called oversubscription of shares or oversubscribed by 50,000 applications. The money will either be refunded on those 50,000 application, or the application money may be adjusted towards the allotment of that 1 lakh shares subsequently on allotment, and then balance left may be refunded, or it may be adjusted towards the first call and the second and final call money as per the question states. Let's read about it. Shares issued by well-managed and financially strong companies often get oversubscribed. The company cannot allot shares more than that offered for subscription. The board of directors will have to allot shares on pro rata basis. Pro rata basis means that smaller number of shares are allotted to each applicant according to number of shares applied by him. Suppose the company has offered 1 lakh shares and they have received 1,50,000 applications. The company will allot maximum to the extent of 1 lakh shares. If I have applied for 10,000 shares or more than that, then shares allotted to me will be lesser number. It is called pro rata basis. The excess application money which I may have given with application money will be adjusted towards my allotment money. When some applicants are allotted smaller number of shares, the excess amount received on application will be utilized towards the amount due on allotment, and the entry will be share application account debit to share allotment account, excess money transferred to allotment account. Sometimes the excess application money exceeds even the money due on allotment. Such amount has to be refunded, but it can be retained by the company for its utilization towards call money, that is first call and final call, if the article so authorize. Usually the prospectus contains a clause to this effect. If the amount is retained, kept back, not refunded, it must be transferred to calls in advance account by passing the following entry: share application account debit to share allotment account, excess application money transferred to allotment account, to calls in advance account. Maybe excess money adjusted or received towards first call, or for both the calls it is transferred to calls in advance account and not to first call or second final call, because they have not yet become due. So it is transferred to calls in advance account. When the money is received the time of first call and final call, that time this call in advance account will be adjusted by debiting calls in advance account. Treatment of surplus application money in case of pro rata allotment. If the question is silent about the treatment of surplus application money, or states that surplus application money will be adjusted only towards allotment, the excess or surplus application money will be refunded or returned to the applicants. If the question specifies that the surplus application money will be adjusted, utilized towards allotment as well as the call money, then the surplus application money is transferred to allotment and calls in advance account. If still some balance left, it will be then refunded or returned to the applicant.